Now I want you to explore your piano a little bit more. Take a look at the black keys and the patterns of 2 and 3, 2, 3, all the way across the piano. It's the black keys that allow you to find your way around the piano, so they are actually how we name all of the keys. But for now, let's just play some of the groups of 2 black keys. So we're going to start with your right hand, finger 2 and 3. We're going to play the middle 2 black keys together like this. And then moving up, which is always to the right. Now, when you lift from your wrist up and back down in the shape of a U. Up and back down like that. Okay, let's try that again, and this time let's do a special effect. If you have a pedal on your piano, put your right foot down on the right pedal. What this does is it allows the sound to continue even after you've lifted off your fingers. So let's try that and play soft. So just play very gently into the key. Right, lift from your wrist. Hear it? You can still hear it going up. It has kind of a bell or like a raindrop effect. Let's go back down. Okay, lifting from the wrist. The other fingers are not playing, are just hanging down. Okay, great. We'll call that one raindrops. Now let's switch hands. We're going to do the same thing with left hand, starting in the middle of the piano and going down and then back up. Let's go ahead and put your foot on the pedal and play loud. So we're gonna press into the key very quickly like that. Lift from the wrist, going down. As soon as you hear the sound, you let go of the pressure it took and just hold. Down and down. Back up. Your foot and your hand at once. We'll call that one thunder. If at any point we're doing some of these exercises and you find that your keyboard hasn't gone that far, just play the furthest key again and then come right back in. Now we can try that same thing using the 3 black keys. So you want to work your way around the piano. So let's take your right hand on these 3. Going up, go ahead and put your foot down. This time let's play the right hand loud. Going up, all the way up, and then on the way down, let's get a little bit softer each time, softer and softest. Okay, now let's do the opposite with the left hand. We're going to start soft and get gradually louder. Put your foot down on the pedal, put your left hand 3 fingers on these 3 keys, and here we go, soft. Lift from your wrist, going down, a little bit louder. Now go a bit softer, and the softest here. Okay, so just learn to work your way through your black keys and get very familiar with them.